set, go. 10, 20, 30. Unreal. Tornado just was ripping the metal off. In the front, and then I'm using this same street back tire, so it's gonna... Oh, is that a driveway? 26% after 24 miles of riding. Still at 100%, gone 2 miles. 2 miles, not even a percent. That's not accurate at all. If it was, I would get roughly 200 miles, wouldn't I? At least 3 miles into this little cruise with some street tires. Battery's at 96. Okay, let's open it up a little bit. 38, 44. I'm gonna let her go back down. Beautiful home. And Hollow Estates. Usually estates around here has something to do with trailer parks, but as you can see, these are not trailers. Wow, people are already having fun. All right, let's see. I'm 185 pounds or so, and we'll go from zero to see what we can do right here. Let's go 1, 2, and 3. I gotta hold my front down a little bit. We're at 30 miles an hour already. 38, 40. All right, ready, set, go. 10, 20, 30, 40. And I 40, and I had more room to stop this time, more comfortably, so that was a little easier. That house, the whole front end, I don't know where it's at on the camera, but that whole right above the doorway all got taken off. It actually looked better before. It kind of had that rounded openness, but I guess they must have made it part of the home now. It looks like there's a room, so. But they ripped that whole front end off and put that on. Lots of people be having fun out here on the weekends. It is windy. I don't know if you can hear it through the GoPro, but I just use a GoPro with no microphones, so it gets kind of scuffy. Feels good. Just that auto stop slows down on its own, but not too much to where if you have any of these rocks under you like that, your back end actually kicks out on you. If it's on Regen 3 and I hit anything like these pine cones and stuff, that back end will just slide, and it is not fun. You'd rather, because you're not pressing your back brake when you're going around the turn, so you don't expect it to do anything. I like all of it. It's all like a dark theme. Yeah, they're changed it up. Both of them two are matching. Yeah, all 3 of these guys are matching. We paid the red car just sticks out amongst all the darkness. Okay, we'll take it wide, and then it's just you can dip in. I don't know what kind of rocks we got, but too easy, just effortless. That front tire, look how skinny that sucker is. It just rolls over so nice. Now this is going to be a kind of a good comparison. I wanted to put some miles on these street tires to get used to the range it kind of does. So in other words, I got some Shinkos coming, those 241s, and they're going to be 19 in the front, whereas this is a 17. So my turning is going to be a little different, but 19 in the front, and then I'm using this same street back tire, so it's going to be wider rim, and I'm going to put a 3-inch Shinko on the back. So 17 by 3 inches in the back, 19 by 2.75 in the front. Yeah, I think the look is just going to improve dramatically, because the 17 front is just too small. Looks funny. It looks like your nose does. I feel like my nose is down again compared to when I had my dirt tires on in 19. So I miss that feeling of being up. The riser bars kind of help with that, but it does feel great to get back on these tires again. Let me turn it in sport. Sport I think is just too much, man. I don't even want to gas it too. full sub. Man, that entrance is just too much fun if you lived here every time. We are in Grand Blanc, Michigan for you guys. That is right here on the good old state of Michigan, right there. I mean, just effortless. I can't imagine you guys with the tune, how dangerous this thing must feel. You have no weight, and then just all too much power with no weight. Oh boy. I guess if I'm going the speed limit, let's check this out. Oh, is that a driveway? Oh, it looks like a driveway. Why is it not labeled? Yeah, let's So this guy just mows this for the deer here. He must live right there. That way. I could always just go and kind of hop on the back road. Okay, we're kind of just trying to do a range test here. So, all different types of riding. You can see I've done a little bit of speed test. I've done some 50-mile-an-hour cruising down the street just to keep up. Doing some slow pacing at this subdivision cruising, like I like to call it. You guys think we should turn this into an electric bike shop? That's what I'm saying. I don't know what all that is. Somebody dropped drywall off or something. Yeah. Man. Oh, sidewalk's closed. Damn it. So here's where a tornado came through and actually flipped a semi or two over there. Oh my god, literally crumbled the brick. Nothing's been touched since this place. I mean, they haven't touched nothing. They even left all the packages on the inside of the place. We'll circle around to the front, but yeah, semi straight ahead was flipped. I think they might have taken, that used to be, oh no, it still is, the front of the semi is under the, see the front of the semi is crushed under the trailer of another. So it was pretty wild. Just a paper factory, so there's a ton of paper in there, and I gotta see if I can not get muddy realistically and just drive around this real quick. So all the insulation in the roof is all over the city. I have it in my backyard, which is about 5 miles away or so, and this would be the front of the place. Unreal. Tornado just was ripping the metal off, which you got to imagine the metal had screws every, what, 1.5 feet. So it was just pulling and pulling. Imagine how much force that would be for, you know, it'd take a lot of people, a lot of power to rip all that apart. The whole roof is gone. You can see packages of paper just full ready right there. Man, that's wild. Man, the whole front, that is wild. The go anywhere machine. Whoa, subdivision cruising. Oh, somebody getting rid of that? Wow, it looks all nice. You'd think that still works, huh? We are in the ghetto. There used to be a field back here. Bark Park, caring more about you. There used to be, we used to play ball down here. It was not Bark Park. We are just checking out all of Grand Blanc today. We wondered what it was like. You're getting to see some of the mansions, all the way down to this type of stuff. Cop, what's he doing over there? I wonder what it even is over there. Man. The Talaria is still running. We have went 24.25 miles. Talaria is going to show 441 on the odometer and 26%. You won't be able to see 26% after 24 miles of riding. So that, man, I would almost say closer to 30 miles or so would be your max range. 30 miles, not too shabby. But check this out. I went all over the dang place. So this is All Trails, I believe, the app, and it is free, the version I have. So any questions, holler. It was a fun ride. I think I'm gonna have my Shinkos here soon, so this could be the last ride with this. But thank you all for watching again. Let's do it again.
Hey!